Hey friends, Miss Wendy here with the Fairfield Public Library, and today we are going to be making a Minecraft Thaumatrope. It's an optical illusion toy. Come join me and I'll show you how to make it. So friends, in the kit that you picked up at the library, you will find 2 rubber bands and a template. You'll also need some additional items: a pencil, glue stick, scissors, and coloring materials. Let's clear off our workspace and get started. Oh, I almost forgot. A ruler and a hole punch are optional. All right, so the first thing that we'll do is decide on what you would like to make. A black cat and the green creeper are the easiest to make. And you should see the eyes on the face. It's an optical illusion that makes it look like the face is on the green square here. So the creeper is the easier of the two to make. Whichever one speaks to you, you can go ahead and make it. For the creeper, you're going to make 1 square green and make a face on the other square. And for this, you can use your ruler if you'd like. There is an outline of the square very lightly in gray. And here's my face, and I made the pencil marks, and now I'm just coloring it in black. Okay, and for the creeper, this is going to be all green. Now, just a note, if you're going to make the cat, okay, there's 2 things. Stay inside these 2 blocks still, but the cat requires some ears, so you won't make a full black square. You'll go ahead and take some notches out of this. If you see here, you'll take some notches and leave those white, okay? And then you can make the face the same, but when you assemble them, you're going to have to turn it upside down. So when you flip it horizontally, one has to be upside down. If you flip it vertically, which is the way that we're going to spin it, then they're both right side up. Okay, so that's the top of the cat and that's the top of the cat. Okay, when you're flipping it vertically. Okay, so go ahead and cut these out. So friends, just for doing this craft today, enter this word, SPIN, S-P-I-N, in your Beanstack account for some extra points. All right, now you'll notice these lines as well. Those need to line up when you're putting them on opposite sides. So you can make just a little snip right on the line on top and on bottom of one, and then you can turn it over and make a little pencil line right where that line is. And then when you're gluing, just make sure that you can see those lines and line them up, okay? Again, for the creeper, it doesn't matter which way you do it, but if it were the cat, you want to place the bottom of the cat here and the top of the cat here, okay? So, and then go ahead and line these lines up on the top and on the bottom. Make sure that they're lined up. It might be a little tricky, especially with all this glue. There's that. There's that. Okay, great. All right. So now, if you have a hole punch, again, make sure that you're punching right on that circle, okay? Don't go too far out because you need that space there. If you don't have a hole punch, that's okay. A sharpened pencil will work. Go ahead and put it right in the middle of that circle and push through, okay? So go right in the middle of the circle and push through. Perfect. All right, so now take your rubber bands and put them through the holes. This part might be a little tricky, but go ahead and push through, and then on the other side, pull through. And when you have it halfway through like that, put one end through the other, and the end that you put through, pull. And that's going to hold it in place there for you. So once again, put your rubber band through. It's actually more helpful to kind of twist and push your rubber band through that way. Pull it through from the opposite, on the opposite side, not all the way, but when it's halfway, push one through, and the one that you push through, go ahead and pull, and that will stay on there. Just tighten it up. All right. And now you are ready to play. You can spin it this way and see the optical illusion. Or you can wind it up and pull it apart and see the optical illusion. So friends, I hope you had so much fun making your Thaumatrope. Please join us here in the library. And for some more DIY crafts, check our calendar for upcoming events and programming. Have a great day, friends. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye-bye.